Hi everyone, welcome to the short video on background knowledge on the numbers part of order of operation. Order of operations. Okay, when we have two or more operations, then we need to have them in the right order. The rules for order of operations are first we have the brackets, then the exponents or roots, and divisions and multiplications, and then additions and subtraction. And that would be the roots, multiplication, division, and addition and subtraction. When we have a few of these at once, then we work from left to right. If we have a few brackets, then we start with the inner bracket first. If we have a fraction, and 4 times 3, then we just look at it as like we having a brackets of both of them. So first we work the numerator and then we work the denominator. Let's see some examples. So here we identify a subtraction, division, multiplication, addition. So first we start with the division and multiplication, and we're working from left to right. So 10 divided by 2 will give us 5 times 5, and then it's 25, and then again we have subtraction and addition, and we work from left to right. Let's look at an example. Let's work with this one. So here I see addition, division, subtraction. First I start with the division. So that would be 3 plus 9 divided by 3 is 3, minus 2. Now we have addition and subtraction. I'm working from left to right, and I'm left with a 4. And let's look at this one, division and multiplication and subtraction. We start with division multiplication, working from left to right. 7 minus 3 times 2, 7 minus 6, and 1. You see I'm working in a few lines and a few steps. I recommend that. And now we're having a bracket, so we're working with bracket first. And let's take a look at this one here. So working with the brackets first, and inside the brackets I have subtraction and multiplication, so I'm working with the multiplication first. So 14 minus 6 in the brackets, divided by, I can work with that at the same time, because it's a different bracket. And now that would be 8 divided by 4, and that ends up as a 2. Let's take a look at this one. That would be 3, and working with this brackets, 12, 3 times 12 is 36. So first I did the brackets and then multiply between them. Let's take a look at this one. 22 minus 15 in this bracket times 8 minus 6. 22 minus 15 is 7 times 2. We're left with a 14. Great. After I have only one number, I don't need the brackets anymore. Now we have 2 brackets. So first we evaluate the innermost one. That would be the 8 divided by 4. And then we're working our way. So that would be 3 plus 32 divided by 2 plus 6 is 8. That's the division here. Divided by 2. Now we're working with these brackets. 3 plus, that is a 4. 32 divided by 8. Divided by 2. So now I have an addition and division. 3 plus 2. First I'm working with the division and then the addition. Now we're having a fraction, so we're evaluating the numerator and denominator separately. Okay? When we have this person in the book speaking, always look at these small tips. And so let's take a look at C here. So first I'm working with this. I'm not dividing 6 over 10. No, let's see how we do it. That will be 6 times 7 minus 2 is 5. And then divide by 10. That would be 30 divided by 10, and that would be 3. This case here, first we're working the brackets and then the exponent, and then let's continue. Let's see how it works. So 2 times 3 to the power of 3 minus, instead of 11 minus 7, that would be a 4 to the power of 3. Working then the exponents, that is 3 cubed is 27, and 4 cubed is 64, and that would be 54 minus 64 minus 10. Here, let's evaluate this one here, because we have a numerator and denominator. That would be 28 minus 3 times 4 is minus 12. See that I left the brackets because it's a negative number. And 10 times minus 2 would be minus 20. Now the negative minus and minus become a plus. 40 minus over minus 20 is minus 2. Here we have the final solutions, and thank you for listening. Good luck.